Welcome friends, it's Yuri. We already started. Thank you that you wait for me. This lesson will be about mirror levels, universal strategy for fresher advanced traders. That's why. How we will start our webinar. First, we will check the quality of sounds video. You'll write me a comment. What's going on with your sound video? Do you hear me clearly? If yes, after that you will ask your question, and after that I will tell you about mirror levels, where you can use it on what markets, how you can trade it, and why it's important to understand how it built. At this moment, friends, a few seconds I'll write into Telegram, and I'll remind to everyone that we have started. I would remind we have started. We have started. And link. At this moment, what you should do, please push like and write your comment about sound and video is stop. Thank you. At this moment, please type into chat questions which you have, because remember, there is no such point like a stupid question. If you have something about risk management, about trading strategy, about all these points, friends, just ask it. If you have also, what I would like to share with you. Also, I would like to share with you a few lessons which you can use, because many of you, I think, do not understand that I recorded so many additional lessons which you can use for free, because I recorded lessons about key level strategy, how you can trade it, about risk management. Friends, what you can do at this moment, just open my YouTube channel and subscribe to it, because you will get all these lessons here. Take a look. Both good on my end. Good to hear. Nice to see you, my friend. Type all your questions. I will answer to you. For me, I'm grateful that you are here, friends. Subscribe on my YouTube channel at this moment, because take a look here. You will get lessons about how to choose good broker, how much money do you need for a start, must have ATR, key levels, how to trade key levels, false breakouts, the biggest mistakes. You will get all the lessons for free. That's why right now you should subscribe on my YouTube channel, because you will get far more such lessons in the future. Okay. I think I will do my face a little bit lower. This one, I think it would be okay for all of us. Type please that it's okay, and we can start with Ivan Maximovich. Yes, hi, nice to see you here. Friends, typed into a chat that you are ready and we can go. I'm having problem to learn how to set up the entry. My analysis is good, but very bad decision at the moment to the entry. Sound and video good. Type Marco. Type what kind of strategy do you have, because it's not enough information for me to help you. Great to see you, boss. Yeah, thank you. Let's go. It's okay, let's go. Friends, I would like to see at least 10 let's go from all of you, because there are 46 people here and only I saw 1, 2, 3 let's go. At least 10 it would be the minimum. And also about likes, 46 people and 16 likes. Friends, let's do 25, at least 25, and we can go. It's only the key levels and mirror levels. Ready? Let's go. Let's go. Good. Good. Okay. Mirror levels. Trading view. For many of you, I think when you open my trading view page, you would see that so many times you will see mirror levels and different type of levels. I will share with you today how to build these levels, because about entry points, about preconditions, friends, I respect people who take education from me. Here is it here who took education. We spent a lot of time. That's why about some points I will share only on my course with only only my paid course and only for my students. Today I'll help you to understand and explain you how to use mirror levels and what is it and why it's important to use it. And also I explain you foundation of it, where big players accumulate volume and how you can use it. Also, please save this trading new page I just sent to you into comments. Save this trading new page, because about please go over Fibonacci today, please. To hear about Fibonacci, I will put additional lesson and I will add it to a course. About this lesson will be completely about mirror levels. That's all. Once more about mirror levels, what I would like to tell you. What is a mirror? The best course you guys can get. Thank you, Tahir. Thank you for such warm feedback. Yes, also many of you who would like to join my course, what you can do at this moment. Below this lesson, you will get contacts of my team, and if you would like to get our courses, just write to our teams. I will send you all information. That's why, friends, let's go. Let's start our lesson. About mirror levels. What is a mirror level and why it's important? Mirror level, it is a part of key levels which I explained on YouTube, and you can get a lesson about that. I will send you a link. When you will subscribe, open my YouTube, you will find lesson about key levels. It's important to see it because it's a part of whole story. Mirror levels, what is it? It's when we have, as you can see here on a chart, when we have resistance, in some point that resistance breaks, it becomes a support, and opposite, like it has happened here. Why it's important to use mirror levels? Because, as always, why it's important to use mirror levels? Because we have low and predictable risk. As always, when I explain you a strategy, you need to understand all strategy, all key levels. I explain you because they build on low predictable risk. In all trading, it's important to have low predictable risk, because many of people hunt for a huge amount of money, because you see a lot of ad of some companies, but for a start you need to protect your account. That's why it's important to have low predictable risk. Friends, in a few minutes I'll show you how to build it, but first I'll explain you why it's important. Please type into a chat, would you like to know why it's so important? Is it, do you need it, or we just start showing key levels? Because this webinar for you, this lesson for you, and for me it's important to get feedback from you. Friends, just type into a chat, Yuri, yes, explain why it's so important, or just start sharing key levels. It will not take a lot of time, but I need a feedback from you. Friends, I don't see a feedback into a chat from you right now. Please push. Yes, please. Yes, Mohammed, nice to see. Yes. Good. Yes, please explain. Let's go with key levels. Let's go explain. Good, friends. Thank you for your feedback. Also, please share this live with your friends, traders. About trading, what you need to understand. All foundation of trading, it is first, it's energy. It's the most important part of trading. Second one, it is understanding of risk. It's working with risk, because when we work with risk, when we have low predictable risk, there would be a time when we will make money and when we will recover. Why is it important? Please explain. Once more, when you trade according to key levels, you will have low predictable risk. Why low predictable risk is important? And your is really remarkable. Keep it up. Thank you. When you have low predictable risk, it's hard to blow out your account. I have been working in a fixed broker for 1 year, and I saw how many people blew out their accounts. And believe me, all that mistakes was silly. And when you start your trading career, trading path with low predictable risk, there would be a time when you will recover everything. But those who just trade with huge risk, in most cases, they will lose all their money. That's why when I explain you some type of key levels, I always start with low predictable risk, because just imagine when you put into risk, for example, like 100 USD, and potentially you can get 500 USD. That means even with 25% 25% of profit entries, you will make money. That's why it's important to have low predictable risk. Yes, Annette, hi. Artyom, maybe you used account of your wife. The next point why it's important to use key levels, it is potential profit in many times bigger. When we have such things, you can have only like 25-30% of profit entries and you will make money. Just imagine if you will have more, you will be able, very happy. Mihai, nice to see you. Mihai, awesome to see you here. I am pleased. Please write all your questions. And also about strategy, that strategy based on big players' behavior, on big players where big players accumulate volume. And at this moment, I'm going to explain you why big players accumulate volume and why everything of this based on this on big players' behavior. Okay, once more about mirror levels. This strategy works on all markets. Friends, I'm studying, explain you exactly how to build key levels. I sent to you into a chat. I will copy it here. My trading view page. I wrote this article, and you will be able to open it and read also. Once more about mirror levels. What is a mirror level? A few seconds. I would like to open this stuff. I would like to open this stuff because it will help me. I will open an additional tool which would help me build key levels. Oh, okay, good. I hope every one of you see it. What is a mirror level? First, when we have key level and after that price suddenly break it. Why it's important? Why it's important in our trading? Because when you will understand energy in trading, you will understand that. For example, just imagine key level, and everyone, those who open sell here, when price break it, price hits their stop losses, and in that case big players accumulate huge amount of volume, and after that when price come back for retest, it is a huge essential place where you can trade it. I will show you examples where it works on different markets. But once more, why it's important mirror level? Because once more you need to understand here it was a place where a lot of people trade, and just imagine how many people open sell here. When price breaks such key levels, you need to understand that there are so many people set their stop losses. Stop losses of sellers create new volume up, and after that big players came back to retest to hit another break events and move the instruments. That's why once more about this type of levels, they built on energy. Energy, it is the why is it a low risk? Because when you will build because when you will have accurate mirror level, you will have stop loss 20-30 pips, and you will be able to open entry with like 150-200 points potential profit. That's why. About mirror levels, another example for you of mirror level. Take a look here. Example of mirror level. Border of the range. Take a look here. After false breakout, price rose up dramatically. Key levels with a fresh haircut. Yes, thank you about haircut. I did it because we had shut down in Ukraine, and to be honest, I thought that first place where I would go and it would be illegal. It would be a casino, but I couldn't imagine that I would go into illegal barbershop. Okay. Once more about mirror levels. Friends, type into a chat, is it clear about mirror levels at this moment? And please type into a chat what I need to clarify, because I need to get a feedback from you, and also push like and share this stream with your friends, because 68 people and only 30 likes. Friends, we need to have at least 50 likes. I think it's possible. It's the best. Thank you from your side. Please write a feedback what you need to get and what is not clear. Once more about mirror levels. First, it works on all markets. Second, all markets, what I mean, currency pairs, crypto, gold indexes. I'll show you all examples how to build it. We will go through this trading view post and after that I'll open chart and I'll show you so many examples and you will be pleased. Why in the first chart price break key level go up, but after that it goes down even further from key level? Please explain. Okay. When a breakout is veiled, yes. Marco, about breakout veiled, you need to learn all preconditions because we have preconditions of breakout and we have preconditions of false breakout. Breakout veiled when price accumulate enough energy, and how price accumulate energy, I explain it only to my students. I need to pay respect to them because they paid money for it. Yuri, do I understand correct that a mirror level is a support resistant level that is broken and then yes, Conrad, you're right that mirror level, it is a place where we had support, it become resistant, and resistant become support. But once more, mirror level, it is one exactly place on a chart. It cannot be like a zone. Example here, many of you asked me why from this place price didn't rose up but create a trap here. As you can see, it was a bull trap, but take a look, it was bull trap before a mirror level, because take a look, first price bounced here first time, second time price bounced here, third time before price broke it up, fourth time price approved that we have a key level here, and take a look on this powerful breakout. You need to understand, when you will trade it, you need to see a whole picture. If you would take a look on Euro USD at that time, let's open Trading View and I'll show to you Trading View at that time. Take a look here. Euro USD. Forex Euro USD. Take a look on Euro USD where it was. Is it was here or it was maybe it was here. A few moments, friends, I will take a look on a date. It was 2019. It was 2019 7 8. What month it was? Okay, date. Oh, May. It is May 2019. May 2019, March, December to September, October, June, July, May. May 2019. May. 19 May. May of a few seconds. What date exactly? 29 May of 2000. 29 May. 29 May. Maybe I made that screenshot by 29 May. Here it may be. It is here or here. Yes. Let's take a look on this example. It's just an example because for me it's hard to find at this moment where I took it. About mirror level, what you need to understand. It's important to see what is a global trend. In some cases, price would make a trap, but take a look here. Global trend from this point, it was down. That's the main reason why price didn't drop. You need to understand, when we will open entries, always we will have priority when price will show signal into global trend direction. Also, it's important to have global and local trend direction together, because, for example, you open entry on lower time frame and it shows up entry, and global time frame shows down signals. That means for you it will be better to open sell entry down. Your time frame is different use for hours. About time frames, you can use different time frames. You can use daily, weekly, it doesn't matter. Okay, friends, let's go. First, about mirror levels, better all key levels better to build on daily chart. About mirror levels, I recommend you to open my YouTube lesson about key levels, and for you it will be easier to understand how to build levels exactly. I recorded a lesson, and take a look here. I would change a description and you will be able to open it. Here is a lesson about key levels. Take a look. I would like to send it to you. A few seconds, my friends. Take a look here. I would difference between zone and level. first zone, it is zone could be 5-10 pips level. It is one price, one exactly price. When you will open entry, you will not be able to open entry in the zone. There would be one price while you will put the order, put trigger. That's why it's important to have one entry. Once more, about key levels, I send you lesson into description. Save it after this lesson. You need to watch it. At this moment, take a look. We have a key level border of the range. As you can see, price were so many times here. And after breakout, take a look on this beautiful mirror level. What does it mean? Here we had a resistance, and price were inside of this resistance. After breakout up, price broke it up. And just imagine, everyone who opened sell entry here were stopped, and price stopped it. And for buyers, it was like a holy time. And after that, when price came back, it also hit stop losses. It hit break evens for many people who opened buy here. And after that, big players accumulated enough volume and moved the instrument. Take a look how it worked very well here on gold. Take a look. Border of the range level broke it up, and after false breakout, take a look on this beautiful uprise from 1,298 to 1,323. It is nearly 250 pips. 250 pips. It's quite a lot. Another example for you of S&P 500. As you can see, I took different instruments because for you, I want to show you that this strategy works on all markets. About S&P 500, take a look on this beautiful entry. Take a look. From this point, price made a powerful drop. It was a good resistance. After breakout of this resistance, take a look after false breakout how beautiful entry was. Price rose up 1 to 14. If you would open entry according to false breakout strategy, you would have 1 to 14 potential reward. Hello, what is the indicator do you use most of the time? Price. The main indicator which I use, it is a price. Friends, type into a chat, is it clear about mirror levels? What questions do you have? I'm going to show more examples. Another example for you on mirror level, take a look here. Oil. This mirror level, it was also a border of the range, because if you would take a look on higher time frame, you would see that price were in this range. And take a look here. Here you could trade it after breakout, and after pullback you could open this by entry. Take a look on this. Yes, it's clear. Many of you would ask me how you can open entries. First, it's really simple. When you have powerful mirror level, you can open entry at this key level. Price break it, and after pullback you just open entry by market. Also, you can set pending orders. You can set buy limit, buy stop at this key level. Another example, even on Bitcoin, as you can see, take a look. This resistance, price bounced from it before, false breakout, another false breakout, and uprise. What do you need to understand? When you will trade mirror levels, you need to understand when you will trade, when you will follow a global trend, this strategy will work better. Better always to open entries to continue global trend. Please type into the chat. Is it clear? Do you understand what is a global trend and what is a local trend? And friends, let's go to some examples on the chart. I will show you some examples on the chart. Friends, are you here? It is a retest, not mirror level. What do you mean it is retest, not mirror level? Explain, please. Okay, let's open another examples. As you can see, I only prepared this post to you. I didn't prepare like only beautiful some examples. I would like to share with you real examples which the price can show to us. Example for you of accurate mirror level which we trade last week, and I can show and I can share even entries with you. Take a look here. The same was price were in this one candle range. Take a look. Example for you how mirror level works and how I open entry. How do you decide when to use a stop versus limit order? Is daily considered as global trend? Could you explain difference between local and global trend? Okay, I will do it. First, I would like to share you example how I trade mirror level here on this instrument. Take a look here. We had a key level. As you can see, I showed to you, I built this key level on daily chart, and always you need to build key level on daily chart here. The next one, here, as you can see, key level on daily chart. And after that, take a look. The price broke up this key level. Take a look, broke up. And this resistance became a support. After broke up. This resistance became a support. And after pullback, at this key level, I open entry. I was at my PC when price did it. That's why I open it by market. But also you can use a pending orders. Example for you, where did I trade it? I would like to share with you my entry here. I would like my entries, April. As you can see, I would like to share with you, take a look here, my entry. Price broke it up, and after pullback, take a look. Exactly at key level, I open my buy entry, as you can see. That's the example how you can trade mirror levels. Why it's important? At this moment, why it was good to trade mirror level here? Because local trend was into this direction. Also, there was a lot of volume accumulation here. When you will understand energy and volume, you will understand that the most important point in all trading is to follow big players and follow the volume. And at that moment, it was easy to understand that volume was into that direction. Also, take a look another example of mirror level. Take a look here. Another example for you. Key level by paranormal candle. From this point, price dropped 600 pips in one day. And after that, take a look. After breakout, how price accurately rose up. Okay, in the BTC, you explain the zone of a pullback. When you say the mirror level and buy after pullback, the pullback is a retest after break resistance. Sometimes yes and sometimes no, because there could be like when we speak about Bitcoin, what you mean, Warren, about Bitcoin, about British pound? Yes. It was breakout and I open entry after retest. But sometimes I would be like breakout, daily candle will close above, and only after that in few days price will come back. Example of accurate mirror level which I trade personally and which I sent to all my VIP members. It was, I still remember it. It was nearly a year ago. Take a look here. It was here. Take a look, mirror level. We have powerful plays from which price bounced. And take a look, after false breakout, price rose up. And it happened after, take a look, how many days price were above it. But from this point, local trend become up, and from this point was good to open by entry. Another example of mirror level, take a look here. From this point, price bounced many times, and take a look, false breakout, and it rose up. That's example for you how mirror levels can work on different instruments. It's important to use it according to powerful key places. When you will use mirror levels on a lower time frame, you will build it on 1 hour. It's important to have it accurate. Once more, my friends, what is a mirror level? Mirror level, it is when we have support, for example, like here, we have support. Suddenly that support breaks and we have accurate support. And after that, after pullback, that support become resistance. And opposite, we have resistance, and suddenly that resistance becomes a support. Always, it is better to use those type of instruments and follow global trend. Why? Because example for you, maybe for the most accurate mirror level which I saw in my life, it would be here on S&P 500. Because if you would take a look here, take a look on this resistance, how accurately price bounced from it. And take a look here, the price broke it up, accumulated, false breakout, and after that rose up dramatically. That's why it's important to use it. The best it would be to use it to follow the trend and according at key level. Would you take a look on Australia Swiss franc? No, this lesson it's not about looking at some on some instrument. Yeah, we were here just distance by USD Japanese just jumped 60 pins in 10 minutes. Now back and focus. Yes. Can you please explain how you would look at stop from stops from that level. About stops, I teach my students, join my course, and you will get all the information, because I cannot share all information for free. I just show to you how to use it, that levels, and the main point that the best to use it when you follow the global trend, and also it's important to have accuracy. When you have you need to understand, better always would be if the price before breaks this level will approve it. Example like this. Because it's important to get approved from the market that the price approved and they are really a powerful level. Could you please tell about direction of move? Okay, about global and local trend. Global trend, when you open daily chart, weekly chart, and you see that at this moment global trend, at this moment it was up. But at this moment, if you would take a look daily chart, you would see the global trend is down, and all this up price, it is a local. At this moment, price didn't do accumulation. Better half for you would be better to identify local and global trend. Open daily chart, and you would see that, every low become higher, that it is global trend up. And after that, you can open 1 hour chart, or 4 hour chart, and you would see that when you open 4 hour chart, you would see like here, global trend down, local trend up. From this point we have global trend down, this local up rise. That's all. It's important to understand about Euro USD. Another example for you, better to do it on Euro USD. Why Euro USD is good and pretty nice? Because take a look from this point, the price in global downtrend. In global downtrend, take a look the price in global downtrend, and what's going on here on lower time frame. On lower time frame, you could see that price rose up. Yes, it was local up rise, but globally, if you would take a look daily, take a look on daily, you would see that price decreasing, totally decreasing. That the biggest priority is to looking for down trades. That's what's a difference between local and global. Friends, many of you at this moment, I understand that many of you struggle with trading, and what I would like to tell you and what is important in whole trading. What you need to understand, I would like to share with you a few points which will help you to trade completely different. It would be game changing for you and for all your trading. At this moment, what I recommend you, for many of you, I understand that sometimes it is hard to trade, and you don't understand what's going on, how to identify a trend, or all that stuff. That's why, friends, I can teach you how to trade properly, step by step. At this moment, you can open my Trading You, and you would see that nearly 70-80% of all trades, all ideas go into a proper direction. That's 2 years. I think it is the best statement which I can show to all of you. I can teach you how to do the same, because many of you, I understand that many of you will lose a lot of money. That's why I will teach you how to trade key level strategy. I will teach you two strategy, free strategy, false breakout and bounce. For those of you who join my course, you will learn it completely. Here is my student Tahir, and you can get feedback from him. At this moment, I would like to share with you what you will get into our course. First, what you will get. I will teach you about all risk. I will teach you entry points, exit points. I will teach you how to identify global trend, local trend. Also, I will teach you energy. You will understand energy and big players' behavior. This strategy, as you can see, when we covered all these mirror levels and false breakout, this works on all markets. Take a look. Forex, commodities, indexes, oil, crypto. As you can see, it works everywhere. That's why if you hesitate about something, does it work or not, right now use contacts below this lesson and write to my team. They will send you all the information. Also, for many of you, I would like to share with you some points of people who wrote to me, and you will understand why it's important to get education, because many of you don't believe that it's important. Friends, take a look. Jay Lee from Malaysia, take a look. He wrote to me a few weeks ago, and this man lost 200k because he didn't get good education. Believe me, when you will start properly your trading path, I promise you that you will save few years of your life, because I personally wasted 3 years, because first 3 years I didn't have education, I didn't have mentor, and I didn't have good strategy. Also, all of you will save thousands of USD. Believe me, you will save thousands of USD, because when you know all about risk, when you will have good strategy, you will not need a lot of money for a start. Friends, it's real truth of this market. Only those of you who will start properly, who will get good education, has a possibility to become a professional trader. Thank you for your time. At this moment, please write questions which you have about mirror levels, and maybe you have some question about education course, and I will help you here, and after that we will finish. Best for all of you would be, at this moment, what I recommend you to do after all this webinar. First, save this link with this lesson. Also, Yuri, I'm a bit late on this, but yes, watch it after it. Save, like I told you, save this TradingView page, and also save this lesson about key levels, because I completely recommend you to learn it and to take a look on it, because that's what you can do for free. But those of you who want to really improve yourself, you need to study. Also, friends, push like at this moment right now, push like, subscribe, because still we will do a lot of free lessons. It would be useful for freshers. I have a question about Tesla and the level of 400 target way back in February. Once more about stocks, we will not to speak about this. How to draw a mirror level? First, you need to find a good key level, and after that you wait when price will break it. Example for you, I would like to share with you one example on Euro British Pound. It just Euro British Pound. Take a look here. How to draw key level, mirror levels. Example, take a look. We had a key level here. Take a look. Price bounced many times. 1, 2, 3 daily candles bounced. Second, price bounced here. One second time. Third time. After that, take a look how many times price bounced. And price eventually broke it up. And take a look. After pullback, it created mirror level. And yes, it made huge possibilities that it made a false breakout. I had messaged you on TradingView about that question. Write to me on TradingView, because best will be if you would write it below idea, because if you have some question about some instrument, you should write it only on TradingView. Only there you will get the answer. Friends, what are the Sharif, is it understandable for you about mirror levels or not? Another example of mirror level, take a look here. We had support, as you can see, price bounced from this key level, drop, and take a look. After breakout, as you can see, it became a mirror level. If you would take a look on lower time frame, I think you would see, take a look. Price broke it up, and take a look. After pullback, bounce. It was a mirror level. Once more, what is a mirror level? It is when we have a strong level, and after that, eventually price break it. That's a mirror level. Sharif, right, please, is it clear for you? Also, those of you who enjoyed this stream right now, push like, subscribe, and share this lesson with your friends, because that would be the best thank you what you can do from your side. Also, those of you who want to become better trader, who want to learn how to do it and save years in your trading career path, below this, use contacts and write to my team. Friends, write a feedback, is it clear? Or at this moment, let's make a deal. Write, is it clear? Or Yuri, thank you for this webinar. Like, right, Yuri, thank you, clear, I understood. Or Yuri, I didn't get about mirror levels, better to do additional lessons. Because how many time market bounce from one key level? Market can bounce many times. You need to understand. Far more important question would you could ask: how many times you could trade it? It would be better question. I recommend to trade when price comes to key level first and second time. Third time it is not good to trade. All clear. Thanks, Matt. Thank you so much, Yuri. It is clear. Friends, at this moment, all great, Mr. Thanks. Thank you. Friends, at this moment, I think we can finish our lesson. I will do another stream on next week about maybe about historical levels, and also I'll explain you how to trade it and how to build it on a chart. At this moment, best what you can do, use the free links and learn more about key levels. Also, push like, subscribe. Best thank you from your side. Those of you who want to save years in your trading career and life, write to me about education. Thank you for such. Thank you, Tony's. Thank you. Pleasure to read it. Thank you, my friends. Have a good trading. Have a safe trading. Thank you. Bye. Bye.